Yeah, okay, too bad. It's party! Let's load. Today we're getting the eye. Because I know you have a pretty relaxing. How to get the eye? That's the question.
Do I put it
Down
in
there?
it? Let me put it in
there.
Hey,
Bro, let me put it in
Okay,
it. Let me put it in it.
hey,
Yep.
Wait, hold on.
hey. This is a test. I'm testing people to see who carries the most, like, to hold the trampoline. You pass the test, so you can keep it.
I'll go like this.
Oh, somebody!
You can keep it.
Somebody!
Oh my gosh, forgot these.
You're stuck like that.
You're on the mics.
Whoever did it control me!
You can't hear me. Okay, so they need to. Anglerfish needs to be right here. Yep, look. We get 2.
Dinosaur, this all your fault!
We just got 2 eyes.
I'm not even a dinosaur!
So easy, right? Look,
No!
2 eyes so easy.
Oh, you do?
Just count how many.
Come here. My pipe!
I want some more. Oops. Yeah, just put it on.
Are you serious? Let me do it!
Here, fuck.
Have to
I know, right? But
Hey, guess who's in this? Bro, here, take my laptop back.
I spend these monies because of you guys. I'm trying to make this content alive, and my dream goal is 75. Don't you like that so much?
Bro, word!
I don't have so much, but
Shadow that.
my dream goal is 100 subscribers.
What the hell is that?
I really appreciate it.
Where are you? I'm going to get a circuit! Where are you? Oh my goodness!
Oh my god, I didn't know I can despawn.
Where are you?
Like, is there no way that they can?
Oh, could you turn the phone?
I heard a guy gonna.
So annoying!
Let's count. Let's count. 1, 2. How many spawns? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 44, 45, 46, 47, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 57,
Whoever wants
58,
the way to the one way to get the practice is the best.
Wait, I did not. 2, 2. Oh yeah, it's 1 minute. It is done. So, but guys, I'm gonna show you when I'm coming. When I have so much choice, okay? I'm gonna record them. Guys, look. No recorded. Yeah, this is offline. No, it's also a little bit. But we're going to another place.
Does anyone want to trade?
Haunted man. You were under.
Hello.
And you have to be in a forest, dark forest.
Yo, could somebody
spawn in there?
They're scanner. Alright, bro, hurry up. Get back.
Fuck us.
You also give me a coin?
Okay, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many is gonna be? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Yo, who needs a nut shredder?
18, 19, 20,
Hey!
30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
Bro, you know there's shit right from you, right? There's shit right from you.
45, 46,
Oh, you're making the shredder, bro.
49, 50, 51, 52,
Bro, the shredder at the computer.
55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. You know what? I actually don't feel safe in here, so. I actually don't feel safe in here, so I'm going back. I know.
Guys, go to stage 5 if you want to have a battle in
Again, have schizophrenia back. Like whispers if you go in here. It's like whispers. Oh sh!
Hummingbird, run! Bro, I am a shredder, a grinder, another one. You should run, run, run. Hello. Run, run, run. Run.
Actually, those kind of scare me.
Running bird, I will.
I need to wait for day. But actually,
He's a real weapon.
can we kill
If
it?
you get
Or
the scanner,
on the
I
dog
call
that
dibs
we
on.
have a time? Like when the dog is gonna... When it's gonna stop. So I know when then I can record this. Just cause we release
Come
the
to me,
company.
trash.
It depends like
Go!
if everybody was like going in there. Then they want to fight the
Nobody
monster.
can hit me, bro.
But took RPG, shotgun, revolvers, grenade launchers. For my big mushroom, I need to and some bombs. And some make rockets and fighting. I usually do that.
Try to make me go.
I'm actually scared. Because they can hit who? They die in the day, but they always drop a crate and everybody thinks it's them. Okay, I only got 2, so bye bye. I'm gonna record when I got all.
Need a fear.
Oh, guys, let me show
is
something
going
on that.
here. Of course.
Look.
Yo, where's that
I
guy?
killed
Where'd
it,
he go?
shoot it, do the fighter, and I get them 1 more extra ammo. And I'm going with that ammo here to the graveyard.
That part's. Let's go find Fawn. I remember he's somewhere over here.
And I shoot
You woman.
that get these.
Roses are
And now,
red. Roses are blue. Roses are red. I have a clock in my pocket. I'm going to win.
Two down, okay, 2 mines. And I don't know.
Guys,
I shoot them because they need
go
to be
to
right now.
stage.
1 minute needed to be gone. If it's not, I'm just waiting here, looking where it's.
Gorilla big kill. I keep feeling the jump rope, but yesterday I was goated at it. I don't know why. Does anyone want to have a battle? In my pocket, and I go bro,
And yeah,
shoot this, please tell
that's
me.
my process. I'm gonna see when I get 21 of those.
Now
Because
gonna be
I forgot
possible
I
for
actually
him.
have
That
like these.
was so hard to get.
Oh god, you can't hit
Because
me.
these are high
Look,
school.
I had the
Can
skinniest,
I try it?
I had the smallest hitbox in the whole entire game, bro. I found out the
Yep.
smallest hitbox.
I got 21 of those. So bye bye.
What the heck?